Hello, my name is Benjamin Brown and I'm an Associate Director of Corporate Sales with Naples Transportation and Tours. My career with NT&T started in 2006 when I accepted a fleet maintenance position. Since then, I've had the fortune of being a dispatcher, a corporate operations manager, and now I'm an Associate Director of Corporate Sales. My extensive training and background gives me valuable and broad-based experience, which assists me greatly in group planning. As an Associate Director of Sales, my primary focus is to provide you with a variety of options and program services to cater to you and your attendees' needs during your program. I'm here to ensure that all components are arranged so that we are a seamless extension of your organization. Our services are available in many different price points and are completely customizable. We're confident that we can create a tailored package that delivers unparalleled customer service at a competitive rate. You will find attached to this email our executive summary of products and services, which further outlines how we may partner with you in conjunction with your forthcoming program. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to providing you with the value and quality of service that NT&T is proudly known for.